The cameras of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra haven't experienced the smoothest debut since the phone's release. However, it appears that a solution is in the works to address the remaining three issues. As per Serial Tips or Ice Universe, Samsung's engineers are on the case with solutions for below-par telephoto image quality, inaccurate white balance problems, and issues with abnormal red coloring in some situations. According to Ice Universe, Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra will improve many camera problems in the next camera firmware update, including telephoto image quality, inaccurate white balance, and abnormal red color. But they have not given an accurate timetable. I hope they can solve it in April. Although there haven't been numerous complaints about these specific issues, they do exist. However, it's important to mention that there hasn't been a specified time frame provided for the release of the next update. Also, a recent video posted by a Twitter user demonstrates that the problems with the Galaxy S24 camera haven't been fully resolved. The company has announced an upcoming update in the coming weeks, which they claim will hopefully resolve all of these issues. Whether or not this promise holds true is uncertain, but one can certainly remain optimistic and anticipate the best outcome. This user shared 2 videos on his Twitter account. Let's watch the videos first.
What is that? Somebody help. So yes, guys, as you can see, I'm at work. It's just 1x. Now, when I tap to 0.6, we get this effect. Now, if I slowly adjust to 1.4, it fixes, and it goes away when I hit 2.3. Now, if I go back and hit the... Oh, look at that. Does not trigger if I slowly do it backwards. This is just a recent thing. I never had this on unboxing on day one. This has started happening, I want to say, like maybe over the weekend. What do you guys think? Oh, there it goes again.
The autofocus feature on the Galaxy S24 Ultra appears to struggle to clearly focus on the object when the user switches to the ultra-wide sensor. This isn't the first instance of such an issue on a Samsung device. Similar problems have been observed on older models as well. Samsung is expected to address this issue in the next update. It's preparing for the Galaxy S24 series, although it seems we may have to wait a bit longer for it. Rumors suggest that this update won't be available until May or June at the latest. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.